Now that we know that Ignition is a modular platform, let's take a tour of all the Ignition modules to find out what functionality they provide. We're going to look at the modules in the HMI scale layer and in the MES layer. First up is the HMI scale layer and the OPC UA module. This is a cross-platform, high-performance OPC UA server with a pluggable driver model. So Ignition comes with its very own OPC UA server and drivers for many popular protocols, such as Allen Bradley Ethernet, Siemens Ethernet, and Modbus Ethernet. With the OPC UA module, you can also connect to any third-party OPC UA server, such as Kepware or Matricon. We also include an OPC COM module that exposes COM-based OPC DA servers to Ignition and provides OPC HDA support. The SQL Bridge module allows you to bridge PLC data from OPC to SQL databases. This includes the Transaction Group Manager and the Tag Historian. The Vision module allows you to create powerful HMI SCADA clients that launch anywhere in your network. You can access real-time data and historical data. The Reporting module allows you to create dynamic, database-driven PDF reports. The Mobile module allows you to extend the Vision module to provide access to compatible mobile devices. You can create custom dashboards and mobile apps to access data on the go. The Alarm Notification module adds core alarm notification functionality to Ignition and allows you to build logic for alarm pipelines and two-way email notification. The SMS notification module allows you to set up an SMS notification for alarms. This requires the alarm notification module and requires a special device that's not included. The voice notification module allows you to set up a voice notification for alarms. It includes one language voice. Additional voices are required to support multiple languages. This requires the alarm notification module as well, and some SIP-compatible VoIP service, such as your Office VoIP server, Skype, or a special device, again, that's not included. An SFC module stands for Sequential Function Charts that adds SFCs to Ignition. SFCs are used to execute logic in ways that are more convenient to structure than the simple Python scripts that are currently available. The Web Browser module adds a web browser component to the Vision module, so you can simply embed a web browser into your client. On the MES layer, we have the OE Downtime module. OE Downtime module provides overall equipment effectiveness and downtime tracking in real time for Ignition. The SPC module, or stands for Statistical Process Control, extends Ignition's functionality to add SPC functionality. You can implement a full-featured SPC system including unattended out-of-control evaluation, sample scheduling, control charts, and more. Scheduling module in the MES allows you to schedule production runs for OE, schedule samples to be taken for SPC, and more. It works with all of the MES modules. The recipe/changeover module extends Ignition's with recipe functionality, allowing for rapid and reliable production changeovers. Module supports multiple levels of master recipes, security by recipe value, changelog, recipe value variance tracking, and sub-recipes. Track and trace. The Track and Trace module extends Ignition with the functionality to track products from raw materials to the finished state, including consumables and byproducts. Tracking information can be collected manually or automatically and interlocked with HMI operations, preventing production and tracking mistakes. The MES Enterprise module allows you to centrally configure, analyze, and run reports across multiple physical production facilities from anywhere on your network. You can use it to compare efficiency, downtime, or SPC data by production line, operator, user-defined values, and more. The Instrument Interface module allows you to connect to lab equipment through serial or by parsing a file. This typically is used with old lab equipment that quality departments have. The Web Services module empowers Ignition to communicate with other systems using web services over the web or on the private network. You can easily configure web service operations and data types visually, then invoke web service operations from the HMI, SCADA, or MES system to read data from or write data to ERP and other systems that provide web services. When you look at all these modules together, they all work seamlessly together. You can see that from the logos here, the idea is that they're all meant to be added to Ignition to add functionality that you can work with, and every module there can work with another module. And the idea is for Ignition, for it to be one place, one modular system, you can install all this functionality, and where it's very simple and easy to configure.